Okay, so here's the HD75 hearing aid kit. We're going to go ahead and see what's inside. We'll remove the sleeve. We'll open the product box. And here is the carry case, which has the hearing aids in it. I'll show you that in a second. And underneath, we have the user manual and batteries. This is the user guide or user manual. And this is a pair of hearing aids, so you receive 2 packs of size 312 batteries. And we'll talk about that later. Let's go ahead and open the carry case. Here we have the HD75 hearing aids. And then we also have this little plastic bag that has extra ear tips and a cleaning tool inside. And in other videos, we'll show you how to change the ear tips and also how to maintain your hearing aids by cleaning them with the cleaning tool. So here are the different sized ear tips, which we will discuss in a different video.